Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can record a Google Slides presentation with audio. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're going to do is start a new presentation. You can either click on blank or you can choose from these templates. If you want to expand the templates list, you can click on templates gallery, and from here you can choose any template that you want. So I'm just gonna start a blank presentation, and as you can see guys, now I started the presentation. From here, for example, you can name it, for example, audio, and now we're gonna click on this little plus in order to add a new slide. So as you can see guys, now the new slide has been added. You can go right here to the top and then search for inserts, click on it, and then under it in this list, you can insert anything that you want. So you can either insert an image, a text box, an audio, video, a shape, table, chart, and so on. So you can click on audio, and then from here, you can insert the audio that you recorded. So basically, guys, you can't insert it directly from your PC. So you need to upload it first to Google Drive and insert it from Drive. You can either insert from My Drive, from Shared with Me, from Recent. You can search in Drive or you can paste the URL. You can also filter the results by date modified and by owner. So once you find the audio, you're going to find an insert button right here. Click on it and then you'll insert the audio. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.